apple. Say it with me one more time, boys and girls. Number one juicy apple. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number two sweet strawberries. Say it with me one more time, boys and girls. Number two sweet strawberries. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number three ripe bananas. Say it with me one more time, boys and girls. Number three ripe bananas. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number four, and here is four crunchy grapes. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number four crunchy grapes. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number five, and here is five tasty oranges. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number five tasty oranges. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number six, and here is six delicious blueberries. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number six delicious blueberries. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number seven, and here is seven refreshing watermelons. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number seven refreshing watermelons. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number eight, and here is eight ripe cherries. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number eight ripe cherries. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number nine, and here is nine yummy peaches. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number nine yummy peaches. Yeah, you got it. Here we have the number 10, and here is 10 crispy apples. Say it with me, boys and girls. Number 10 crispy apples. Yeah, you got it. Congratulations, boys and girls. You did it. Learning to count 1 to 10. Yay! Stay tuned for our next set of numbers to count and learn. Until next time, bye-bye for now. And please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.